What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video in our video series for digital logic. Now, the gate we are going to be talking about today is the OR gate. Some of you might be familiar with this. Basically, what an OR gate is a device in our computer that takes two inputs or two or more inputs and compares it with each other. Now, if any one of those inputs is set to 1, then our output will be 1. Now, let me illustrate that with a symbol here. Now, this is how you represent OR gates symbolically. We have this football shaped thing right here and an output. So we have, for instance, we have two inputs, A and B, and the output in this case will be A plus B. Now this plus sign right here is basically how you represent OR statements in digital logic. Now, as I've mentioned before, you can have more than just two inputs. So I'm gonna create a 3 input OR gate. Let's connect this. For instance, 3 inputs A, B, and C, and our output will be A plus B plus C. Now, what I'm gonna do? Okay. Let's just go on over to drawing the truth table for this, and I'm going to explain in more detail how these things work. So, we have two inputs, A, B, and our output, A plus B, A or B, and let's see, let's list all the values for A and B for our input. And what is our output? So I'm going to draw the gate here. So this is what the gate would look like for this truth table. Correct? So we have A, we have B, and this is our A plus B. Alright? Now, when A is 0 and B is 0, we get the value of 0. Because as A goes through, B goes through, none of the values are set to 1. And therefore, our output is set to 0. So we have a 0 right here. Now, if A is 0 and B is 1, we get the output of 1 because at least one of the inputs were set to 1. Now, we also have this right here, which is going to be the same thing, but let's just work it out. If we had the value 1 here, and the value of 0 as input for B, at least one of these values are 1. So, therefore, we get the output of 1. Now, lastly, both A and B have the values of 1. Therefore, we can say that the output is going to give us 1 because at least one of these values were 1. So that is how the truth table for the OR gates look like. Alright, and now I'm going to talk to you about the associativity and cumulativity of these gates. Now, they are associative laws. It follows the associative laws, and commutative laws. It follows those as well. Now what I mean by that in the OR gate, in the OR gate is this. A plus B plus C is the same thing as A plus B plus C. Like that. Alright? Now, this is associative because of this property right here. As far as commutative laws go, it also qualifies because of this right here. A plus B is the same thing as B plus A plus A. All right? And that is all I have for today as far as the OR gates are concerned. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button down below and comment and subscribe. It really helps me out. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.